Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do clutch Hubba mission in Skate 4. So let's get started. What you'll need to do is flip tricks here to jump it. After that you need to grind a Hubba. So do 5 flip tricks right here. So that task will be out of the way. So here ride it, get some speed right here, jump it here using circle button. Slow down because you need to grind this object. So there is a trick because it is a catchy one. Here grind it using flip trick. Go out of this way and right here collect this. So for the more attempt score, you need to do more flip tricks and try to do all above in one attempt. So that's pretty much it. That's how you complete this Clash Hubba mission in Skate 4. See you guys later.